Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I created these drawings, show you the sketches and speed up the drawing process. Enjoy! The first drawing is made with a graphite pencil. I scanned the second drawing and printed it out in an enlarged format, and then I added contrast with charcoal and white accent with pencil. The third drawing is a full color work, done in pastel, charcoal and ink. Initially, I did not plan to create a complete drawing. I was just having fun with quick sketches. But then I got carried away with the sketch and continued to improve it. And this is how it looked. I transferred the finished sketch to the tracing paper, then scanned it and printed it, so that I could apply different styles to the drawing. The first style I designed with a graphite pencil, gave the drawing volume and added tone and shadows. The whole composition of the drawing and the style I came up with in the process of drawing. I just drew and had fun. After that I scanned the pencil drawing and printed it out on enlarged format craft paper. In the enlarged drawing I used charcoal and pastel pencils. I put accents, made the shadow and light brighter. In a color drawing I made a background, on which I showed a jungle and bamboo. The color was added using pastel, charcoal and stick for blending. To finish, I wanted to write a calligraphic inscription in the form of hieroglyphs. Quite a few sketches were made to find the style of the future inscription. I wonder who can read what is written there. I'll give you a little hint. These are two English words that are very close to the subject of the drawing. I'll write the correct answer in my Instagram account. If you're interested, go ahead and find out. I designed the full color drawing into a poster. You can purchase it using the link in the video description. Okay, so thanks for watching and bye for now.